Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your OPPO A94 5G. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. Here, begin the setup by clicking Get Started. Choose the account you want to use for this app and then select OK. Now, in order to join the class, you'll need to press on this plus button, select Join Class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.